Have you been? I was expecting you to be there.
Hello, good people.
I thought you would be there.
I have something interesting.
Oh.
These cows have beds. Look
Look
at this.
I was ready to
They eat in here.
You
So
were waiting on me?
Yeah.
they are eating there.
Go together.
I tell you.
They are dairy cows. I'm going to copy this.
When you are here,
This is a very small space. I will ask
we're going to
the square meters. Look at this. The beds for the cows. Wow. I'm learning something here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have 10 cows here. Dairy cows. They have beds. I'm in Kenya. This is Kate's brother. Look at this. I'm just copying. You can copy too. Yes, I'm here to copy and paste. This is wonderful. I've been wondering how I was going to do it. I'm not able to pass here. It's muddy. Look at this. They sleep. They have drinking water. Those drums are cut in half. Then there's clean water there. Look at this. They just used the gum tree poles. I think it's cypress. I don't know. Just poles and nails. Then the roof. Then the beds are plastic. They are clean. Wow, look at this. Then that's the gate. They stay here, they eat, they go and drink water, they sleep. Oh, this is wonderful. This trip is hilarious, I can tell you. They're eating silage.
So, but
I think I have to start my dairy cow project. Look at this. This is a small machine for silage.
so I just have
I
it there.
think it's
50
using
pound bag.
fuel.
50 bags.
50 pound, 50 pound bag.
This is interesting. Let me hear you saying there's no
Go
money.
and try.
Let me hear you saying there's no employment. Wow, look at this. It's just maize grounded by this small machine.
Then 20 years.
And they are saying you can add molasses when it's dry. But this one
It's a sort of store.
can
When you
ferment.
have supplies,
It's just a hole
you can store.
dug. Then there's this plastic.
Yes.
Look at this.
No.
They are going to cover the silage inside there. And it's raining.
Centimeters. It's
Wow.
almost
I ask the dimensions, but you can do whatever you can.
almost 90.
And the juro is plastic.
That is 3 feet or
This is
or more.
interesting.
This one is
Oh.
more than.
I'm here to learn.
Yeah.
I will ask if they are giving commercial feeds, but I think just for supplement the commercial
that is
feeds.
that 6 feet. It is equivalent to how many centimeters? 180.
What's this? Is this commercial
That
feed?
is wheat bland. Wheat bland.
You buy this.
Yeah, we buy.
Look at this, guys. It's wheat bran.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, I'm going to do this. I have to copy something here. I'm learning. This is good. I will ask how many liters per cow. But the cows are very big. These ones are very, very big.
You can store. You have a good memory.
Wow.
Thank you.
So does this use fuel? You use fuel? This one.
This cutting machine.
Yeah,
You
fuel.
use fuel.
Yes.
Yeah, you use petrol.
Petrol.
Yeah, we use petrol.
How many liters per
Per ton?
Per ton.
Look
Per
at it.
ton.
Look like about
per ton?
one.
Per ton. Per ton of silage.
We can use only almost 10 liters.
10 liters. This is wonderful. It's
To
very
fill
cheap.
this, to fill this.
Yeah, this
So how many
That's it.
how many meters?
This
This
one.
side, this side.
This is almost 12 meters. 4.
12 and 4.
4. Can I call it?
In 4 meters.
4 by 12.
Oh, no.
No,
4
it's
by
like about
4 by.
it's more like eight.
How many feet is that? The feet is chicken over. 20.
20.
That is 7.5 meters.
This is a very small place. You can
7.5
see 10.
meters. Yeah.
10 animals.
Yeah.
I was surprised they have beds. I laughed today. Then deep. How many meters?
That is 4 meters. 4 meters.
4 meters.
4 feet.
No, 4.
4
Yeah.
feet. Or 5
Feet.
feet.
Feet. I have to
It looks like
measure.
about 5. In some places, maybe more.
Yeah.
Maybe more. They look like 6.
That is
You
almost
can even use an acre
2
for
meters.
this.
2 meters is equivalent to 6 feet.
6 feet.
Yeah, 2 meters.
Yeah.
2
Here
meters.
look like 6. And
Okay.
here looks sharp.
In
here
Zimbabwe, we
sharp.
don't use feet.
We use meters.
We
Meters.
use meters, but I have a tape measure. It's measuring.
But
Feet
one,
another side.
1 meter, it is equivalent to 3 feet.
3 feet, yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to measure that. You can use even an acre for this. It's more than
You
enough.
She plants by hectares.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, I have
So
5
and that's why her
hectares.
mind
5
is at
hectares
Yes,
of maize.
of land.
Yeah,
Of land.
land.
Hey, I'm playing. I'm playing, I can see. I'm going to do this.
You
I've
can
copied.
lay a lot of animals there.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, I just wanted 10
10,
dairy,
like
dairy
this one?
cows, yes. So I can see it's not even a quarter.
Look at a little space for 10.
That is more. That
It's
is
for 10.
more than enough.
It's more than enough.
Just
That is
take
more
1
than enough.
acre and leave free graze area and leave put an area for
They
them to
can't
play.
even graze. These ones, they eat, they drink water, they sleep.
Right.
That's what I want to do. I'm copying. Wow. I have to ask where you bought this machine. I have to buy mine as soon as possible.